how to buy Solana. So in order for us to buy Solana, I'm using, by the way, Trust Wallet in this case right here, but you can definitely buy Solana in different crypto applications. But yeah, I'm using Trust Wallet this time. I'm going to go ahead and simply do that. We're going to go ahead and click the buy option right here, and then we can just go ahead and look for Solana here. Just go ahead and type that one and you should be able to see it. Now I'm going to click this one right here, and then I can go ahead and basically click this one right here, and there are different payment methods here. Transact is what I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to go ahead and continue, click buy with this one right here, and basically it is going to redirect me to another page wherein I can confirm my payment. So yes, this is correct. Now you have more option here, by the way, so go ahead and try to explore this one, and then the rest that you are going to do is just tap the buy now button right here, and you're going to go ahead and enter your email, say for example like that, and then click continue right here, and then you're going to enter your verification code in order to confirm this transaction. Now yeah, from this point forward, I just want you to go ahead and continue with the prompts here, and after doing all of these, you should be able to purchase a Solana here in Trust Wallet. And that, everybody, is how you're going to buy Solana using Trust Wallet.